Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the most important theory question that you need to study under Sem 5 under the subject commodity and derivative market. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem 5 student. Now this video has been divided in two parts. The first part will be carrying all the long answers that you need to study under each module, and second will be all the short notes that needs to be covered up. So let us check one by one under each module what are the answers that you need to cover up. Okay, under module 1, the first question is what is derivative contract and what are its key elements. Second, discuss the participant in derivative market. Again, important questions. Okay, these are. Next, write a note on different types of derivative traded in India. Very important. Explain the features of derivative market. Very important. And explain the history and origin of derivative market. So these are the first set of questions under module 1 that needs to be studied very well. You all can note it down once. Next, under module 1 itself, what are the reasons for investing in derivatives? Next, what are the leading commodity exchanges in India and in abroad? Next, we have explain the structure of commodity market in India. Next, we have discussed the participants in commodity market. And next we have is distinguish between forward and futures. So these are the next set of questions that you need to cover up under module 1. You all can go through it once. Okay, the last category of topics under module 1, explain the history and origin of commodity market. Next we have what are the reasons for investing in commodity market. Third, what are the types of commodity market, or what are the types of commodities, my bad. Next, difference between hard and soft commodity trading in commodity market, and distinguish between speculation and arbitration. Again, very important topics. These are the last set of questions that you need to cover up under module 1. You can go through it once. Next, under module 2, first is explain cash and carry arbitrage in detail. Second, what is imperfect hedge and what are the reasons for imperfect hedge. Next is what are the various terms under future contracts. Next is explain the concept of contango and backwardation, very important. And lastly, elaborate the concept of convergence. Again, very important topics under module 2. You all can go through it once. Okay, next under module number 3, distinguish between futures and option, very important topic. Then what is meant by intrinsic value or moneyness of an option contract. Next we have distinguish between binomial option pricing model and Black-Scholes option pricing model. Next we can have individually also explain Black and Scholes option pricing model. Then what are the various terms which are used under options. Next is what are the factors affecting option premium. And lastly, what is binomial option pricing model and what are the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, these are all the questions which come under module 3. You all can go through it once. Okay, next under module number 4, the first set of questions are what are the various orders that can be placed in derivative market, number 1. Next is explain span margin. Next we have what are the objectives of NSCCL or what are the functions of NSCCL. Next we have explain the trading, clearing and settlement mechanism in derivative market, highlighting the role of SEBI guidelines. Next we have assess the types of risk associated with derivative trading and discuss the method for calculating value at risk. Okay, these are the first set of questions under module 4. You all can note it down once. Okay, the last set of long answers. What are the following different actually that's supposed to be what are the various different types of margin. Next we have explain the meaning of securities and SEBI guidelines for commodity market. Next we have what are the different types of settlements, what is VAR and what are the methods, or explain any method of to measure VAR. And lastly, bring out the major recommendation of Dr. L.C. Gupta committee to strengthen the regulatory framework of SEBI. Okay, so these were the important long answer questions that you need to cover up under each module. The next is now all the short notes which we need to cover up. So let us see what are the various short notes that needs to be covered up. Okay, the first short notes which are available are the first set of short notes which are available are number 1, types of orders. Second, explain any two methods of computing VAR. Third, futures versus forward. Fourth, types of risk. Fifth is settlement of futures. And the last one will be reverse cash and carry arbitrage. These are the first set of short notes that you need to cover up. Next, types of underlying assets. Next we have MCX. Third is cost of carry model. Fourth will be imperfect hedge. Next is contango. The next one will be arbitrage using futures. Okay, the last question on the short notes: mark to market margin, span margin, types of margin, limit order, call option, backwardation, and lastly binomial option pricing model. Okay, so these are various long answers and short notes. Chalo, I hope everyone have noted down. With that, we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.